Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie, and this is Gross Reality. Now, I realise you can say gross different ways in different countries, but where I'm from, we say gross, okay? Just live with it. So Gross Reality and a song called Time Portals from this album, Return to Ruin. Don't know when this album's out. I think it's out already. You can get it on Bandcamp. Hang on a minute. Why didn't I just, look it up like a sensible person would? I shall look it up live now. It's out. You can buy it right now. I don't know whether we want to yet because we haven't heard it. So, as I've been saying a lot lately, I don't know where this came from. It's in my bookmarks. It's been real lucky dip couple of weeks. But it's there, so we're here. I don't know anything about them. I believe it's an American band, and there's quite a lot written under the video, which I haven't really read, because I just don't do research. I don't prepare, and it's I think it's the charm of my channel that I'm clearly just making this up as I go along. So anyway, it looks like this band's been around for quite a long time, and then they went away, and then they reformed in 2009. So they're like a band from the 90s, I think. Maybe even older than that, I'm not sure. But there is a line here that says... I've lost it, well done me. Bollocks. There it is, right. Return to Ruin, which is this album. Return to Ruin promises to be the most aggressive and technical album of Gross Reality's catalogue. I don't know how big their catalogue is. This really is a total lucky dip. I've never heard of this band. I'm not even sure what genre the song is, but it's Friday, so meh. I assume this is the reason people even watch my channel, is because not only do you not know what you're gonna get, I don't either. like two songs cut together, isn't it? Does anyone else think that singer sounded like Devin Townsend? I definitely got I got real Devin Townsend vibes from his voice. And also, while I'm just jumping from subject to subject, did Lars Ulrich help with that drum sound, that snare drum sound? Because it was awful. It sounded like a load of screws in a biscuit tin, and I really liked all of it except for that, and that really just kept pinging on my ears, like in a sort of God damn it. But that aside, right? There we go. It was interesting, wasn't it? There's clearly a lot of work gone into it. It did sound like two songs cut together, where they had a song, and then they just they put it all into some software and just cut it, and inserted another bit in the middle that kind of was from something else, and the jump from one to the other and then back again. I don't know. It just kind of stuck out more than it should. So I can see there's a lot of effort gone into this, and I can see where they're going with it. And I did like the individual parts. I'm just not sure they all went together. Does that make sense? Maybe it's one that you would have to listen to a couple of times so that you know what's going to happen, and then you're just on board with it. Sometimes songs are good when you don't know what's going to happen and you go, "Oh, that was a pleasant surprise. It took me." But this one, I think you almost need to know that it was going to do that because it's such a jump. It's like a little bit jarring almost. When it stopped, and then I thought, "Oh, okay," and that's fine. I guess they're just going to go somewhere else. And I mean, it's not like Opeth don't do it all of the time, but Opeth have got some weird skill that makes it all just work seamlessly. Whereas this was kind of stop, play something else, stop, back to what we were doing before. And I think perhaps if I listened to this again, knowing it was going to do that, it wouldn't be quite so jarring. So it sounds like they put a lot of work into this. I haven't heard it. I did not know. I really had no idea what we were getting. In my bookmarks, so there we are. You just get the feeling my bookmarks are a strange place. There you go. I don't know when is the album out. Is it out already? Hang on, I've got it here. I just looked it up, didn't I? And now I've lost it. Damn it. It is, as far as I can see, it is out. You can buy it on Bandcamp. So, always good. As far as I can tell, Bandcamp is still a good place to buy things. I don't know what to say about it. I mean, you can probably see I'm struggling a little bit. There's something interesting about it. I'm going to go repeat myself and say I can see the work that's gone into it, and it looks like it was constructed. Well, this song was constructed as opposed to just organically written. And there's just something a little jarring about it. But I haven't heard the rest. Who knows? This might be a real sort of prog metal opus. I don't know. So, if you like the sound of it, check it out. Let me know what you think. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.